विसरू नका देव माणसात आहे त्याला देवळात शोधू नका. विसरू नका देव माणसात आहे त्याला देवळात शोधू नका. संतांनी दिलेले धडे असे सहज विसरू नका. संतांनी दिलेले धडे असे सहज विसरू नका. आपल्याला मिळालेले स्वातंत्र्य विसरू नका. त्या स्वातंत्र्यासाठी सांडलेले भारत भूमीवरचे रक्त विसरू नका. भारत माझा देश आहे, सारे भारतीय माझे बांधव आहे. भारत माझा देश आहे, सारे भारतीय माझे बांधव आहेत हे शब्द विसरू नका. माणूस म्हणून जन्माला आलात तेव्हा माणुसकी बाळगायला सुद्धा विसरू नका. माणुसकी बाळगायला सुद्धा विसरू नका. विश्व स्नेह का ध्यान करे, सबका सब सम्मान करे असा संदेश देत जगाला सन्मानाचा, प्रेमाचा, सन्मानाचा आणि असा आदर्श देणारे राष्ट्रसंत तुकडोजी महाराज यांना अभिवादन करून मी माझ्या भाषणाची सुरुवात करते. अ व्हेरी वॉर्म गुड आफ्टरनून ऑनरेबल डिग्निटरी, respected evaluators and one and all present over here. I am code number 7 standing before you to express my views on very prestigious topic, that is pay attention to the love of world and respect everyone. That means विश्व स्नेह का ध्यान करे, सबका सब सम्मान करे. विश्व स्नेह का ध्यान करे, सबका सब सम्मान करे. Remembering you all, first of all, with our popular Ramayana, I would like to share a conversation that occurred between Lord Rama and Ravan at the time of war, within which Ravan said to Lord Rama that even though I was having all power, all swords, and a huge empire, I couldn't defeat you. Did you know why? Because there was no unity between me and my brother, but that was between you and your brother. This is what implies us that united we stand and divided we fall. An eye for an eye, and for an eye, with making the whole world blind. So stop holding the graduates against each other. We shall bring a comradeship among us and should not discriminate anyone. But what's happening today? Today we have a society that judge people based on their looks, that judge people based on their status. And this is what there exists a barrier between people with have and have not. The one who have luxuries apart from the necessities, and the one who even do not have the necessities of life. यहाँ पत्थर की मूरत को लगते हैं 56 भोग, यहाँ पत्थर की मूरत को लगते हैं 56 भोग, चढ़ाई जाती है चादरें मगर भूखे नंगे तड़प के सो जाते हैं लोग. Within 13,000 different castes and 25,000 different subcastes, each one of them maintaining their special culture and heritage, we have a world's largest democracy. Yet they are Hindu and Muslim are born rather than a human being. Just want to say that क्या होगा अगर ये पेड़ ये शाखाएं भी हो जाएंगी परेशान अगर परिंदे भी हिंदू और मुसलमान हो जाए. ये पेड़ ये शाखाएं भी परेशान हो जाए अगर परिंदे भी अमीर और गरीब हो जाए. Would like to say an Obama sir's best tweet: no one is born for hating another person because of the skin of an color, because of his caste, or because of his religion. And I'll add more. We should be like in South Africa and state that is democratic denounced as an undemocratic has today become a model of democracy. Just because of the determination of people, those people who said that we should, those people that emphasizes on forgiving the bitter experiences and binding the glue of rainbow nation. Those fellow black leaders who said that let's forgive who collaborated the atrocities and just see and emphasize our things on binding a strong nation, emphasizing the human values. Those human values which my co-competitors had told in their speech, those human values that respect the farmer who is serving from the economic conditions striving for which, those economic values that teach us to respect the servants rather than having a barrier of standard, we should have a barrier of humanity. Those young things, those human values that will tell today's youth rather than scrolling an Instas and taking a selfie video should emphasize on helping the person who is suffering. I would like to say is that if I would get at one minute and the whole world will hearing me, I'll be speaking lie and saying that the God is insisting them, and I'll speak that, dear mankind, you all, I had been seen watching the decades, you all have been destroying each and everything. I had given you mind, soul, heart and each and everything and made you the special creation ever, but nothing is being used efficiently. I have been watching since decades, you all don't deserve my patience. You all are doing discriminating. The powerful ones are taking all benefits and weaker are left behind. Giving you a last chance. Here's my command. Every human being over here is going to take the responsibility of 10 to 12 people being around you who are suffering, who are in pain, who are in need. Help them to get out of the vulnerable situation. Help them and protect them. Give them what you have. Protect them as you protect your own families. If within the 15 days I could see a single and happy my command is being taken right, then you all will be getting all the things, all happiness and joy. Thank you. Have a nice day.